Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can reverse videos on CapCut. Okay, so let's come to CapCut and start up a new project. So you come on new project. So when you come on new project, you need to import a video you want to reverse. So let me look for a video that I can basically reverse and it will make some sense. Okay, so I think I'll select this one here of someone walking. Then after selecting it, you come and tap on add. Alright, so if you play this video, you can see this guy is walking, coming in front. Okay, so let's reverse it. So to reverse it, come and tap on the video in the timeline, not here, but you tap here in the timeline. Okay, so when you tap in the timeline, options will display down here. So you scroll these options towards the left till you see the reverse option. Okay, so the reverse option is over here. Okay, so you tap on the reverse option. So after tapping on the reverse option, the reverse is basically loading. So wait for it to reach up to 100%. So reverse is at 100%. Okay, so let's play this video and see if it has been reversed. Alright, so as you can see, the guy is walking, going behind. So the video has been successfully reversed. As you can see, he's walking, going behind. Okay, so that's how you can reverse a video on CapCut. So thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.